Terra Luna Classic is potentially on the brink of something that could revolutionize the cryptocurrency space, revolutionize the Terra Luna Classic blockchain, and set us apart from the rest of the cryptocurrency space. Now, this is huge, and this is going to be AI integrated into blockchain technology. And of course, we discussed it a little bit yesterday when talking about Ed's Medium out there. Now, Ed is a machine learning, let's call him an expert, right? It's what he talks about, it's what he studies, it's what he teaches, and he's working on or moonlighting on blockchain technology, working on the Terra Luna Classic blockchain, combining both of those passions, setting a man on fire, putting him on his path that he wants to be on could absolutely change the game, take Terra Luna Classic to the next level, and this could be bigger than any burns, any utility, any developer discussion that we have had so far. I'm optimistic, I'm bullish, and I want to talk about it. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2023 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Now, look, if you're brand new to investing, you guys don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and a $1 crypto trade is going to get you $5 in free crypto. If you guys want crypto exclusive exchanges where you can buy, sell, trade, short, leverage, all that good stuff, you get KuCoin and Binance down there. Now, KuCoin and Binance, they offer rewards for the more active traders. So the more you trade, the more you're going to earn. But please be aware, if you guys are holding on those exchanges, it's considered a loan to those exchanges. If you want to mitigate that risk and make it your asset, you need to hold it on a cold storage or DeFi wallet. Guys, let's talk about what's going on. You know, I'm not going to go through and read this article here, but this is on the Binance feed, and it's from CoinGate Media. And the headline, we'll go over the headline because a lot of the article basically reiterates what we talked about in the video yesterday and pulls from Ed's Medium there. LUNC News, developer Edward Kim hints at Terra Luna Classic becoming an AI chain. Now, let's think about that for a second. Pulling from the medium that we went over yesterday, Terra Luna Classic becoming an AI chain. This is very interesting because we know that artificial intelligence right now, it's running this scene. Artificial intelligence, basically since December, has been running the discussion on social media. It has been revolutionizing the way that people talk and work and interact with computers. And I'm not just talking about the art form. Being able to say, hey, AI, generate me a sweet picture of a warrior princess that's driving Terra Luna Classic higher as she wins a battle. You know, I'm not talking about just painting a picture and coming up with something neat. AI, guys, artificial intelligence, could really revolutionize the way you and I interact with computers. Let's think about this for a second. Right now, I have no programming skills, no development skills whatsoever. The most that I have ever done is created a little Hello World Google app. And that's all it did, man. You clicked on it and it said Hello World. That's as far as I ever got when it comes to programming, coding, and developing. And I'm sure that right now, if I went in and I spent 24 hours messing around with some chat GPTs or some GPT-4s and this artificial intelligence that is being created right now, I could create something beyond my wildest dreams in a 24-hour period simply by having a conversation with a computer. Now think about that. If you can go and you can tell it, if you can give it a prompt, and it can create it. And I'm not talking about just sitting here and saying, oh, hey, ChatGPT, do you think the weather's going to be nice tomorrow? And seeing what it says and using it like a magic 8-ball. Or saying, hey, ChatGPT, create me a short story about a guy who likes to trade cryptocurrencies. No, I'm talking about actually creating something useful. Trading patterns, websites, different business objectives, and things. Here's the thing. What we don't realize, or what a lot of people don't realize, is artificial intelligence is still a computer. It is going to need to interact in the real world, and it's going to need a human liaison. That is you. That is me. That is potentially the Terra Luna Classic blockchain. And this is why things could really blow up for Terra Luna Classic. Right now, it takes a massive amount of supercomputing power to power any of these artificial intelligence creations. I mean, just to tell something, go out and create this picture, go out and paint this picture for me, that's crazy in and of itself, that the amount of computing power it needs in order to pull from the internet, pull from all of its information, and compile something in a matter of seconds. Well, instead of having one centralized supercomputer doing so, imagine a blockchain. A Terra Luna Classic blockchain. A blockchain that is running on all of the miners in the community, not the community, I don't even know what that is, in the community, and borrowing from that supercomputing power in a decentralized way. I don't know, I forget the exact statistics, right? But the amount of computing power that goes into mining Bitcoin right now is exponentially greater than all of the supercomputers combined. And I forget the exact numbers. I was reading an article on it yesterday and how it pertains to mining and all of that stuff, and how it pertains to the supercomputers that are out there and the electricity consumption and all of that. If Terra Luna Classic, I'm not saying that Terra Luna Classic has to reach the same level of Bitcoin. Absolutely not. But if Terra Luna Classic is running a vast variety of decentralized nodes, if we've got a massive amount of miners, if we can support a revolutionary new form of artificial intelligence, think about what that means. Not just for Terra Luna Classic. Let's just for 2 seconds, let's try to look beyond what that's going to do for the price and how you're going to integrate Terra Luna Classic into it. But just the fact that we would have a decentralized system of supercomputing power that would be able to potentially revolutionize the next step in artificial intelligence is wild to think about. Then we worry about monetization. Then we worry about the utility for LUNC tokens, or coins, sorry. And then we worry about how it increases the value. What we have right now is a man in Edward Kim that is passionate about machine learning, that is passionate about blockchain technology, and he is setting forth on a path that he has chosen himself. And I'm telling you right now, when you give a man the freedom to do what he is passionate about, when you give a man the freedom to choose his own path, he could potentially be unstoppable. I absolutely hope that Edward Kim does not get tired, he does not get bored, and that man is able to follow his fire down this road. And it revolutionizes not only artificial intelligence, but the Terra Luna Classic blockchain as well. I want to know what you guys think. Down in the comments below, do you think that we could be on the brink of an absolute revolution? Let us know, and of course, if that button right there is still red, make sure to click, hit subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. You guys got ClayBro 883 everywhere. 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin, and Binance, free Discord. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.